I have cut 8 pieces of cardboard as you can see. I will draw 2 love shape and 2 star shape on the cardboard. One will be small and other one will be big like this. Then I will cut it through the outline to get the shape cleanly. Now I will draw love and a star on the cardboard with the help of these shapes to cut those off from the cardboard. As I said before, I have taken 8 pieces of cardboard. So I will draw love on the 4 pieces of cardboard and I will draw a star on the other 4 pieces of the cardboard. Now the cutting is complete as you can see. Now I will paint those cardboard with black acrylic color. So painting is complete. Let's go to the next step. I will use this color paper to cover the love and star shape on the cardboard like this. This paper is very thin as you can see, so that the reflection of the light becomes brighter. Now I will attach this cardboard with the help of the glue gun. This will be the top of the lamp. I have taken 2 holders in which I already fixed wire. These are the 2 zero power lamp. Now I will cover the wire with this safety tape. One thing I should say, that be very careful when you are working with electricity.